Have you ever wondered why some people form close bonds easily while others seem to keep their distance? Or why certain relationships make you feel secure, while others leave you questioning your worth? It all traces back to something profound: attachment theory. In this video, we'll dive deep into the psychological roots of our relationships, exploring how early experiences shape the way we connect with others throughout our lives. Whether you're curious about your own attachment style or want to understand the behavior of those around you, this video is your key to unlocking the mysteries of human connection. Let's get started. Attachment theory, developed by British psychologist John Bowlby in the mid-20th century, explains how early interactions with caregivers shape our ability to form and maintain relationships. Bowlby argued that the bonds we form with primary caregivers during childhood create an attachment system that influences our emotional and social behavior throughout life. At the heart of attachment theory are 4 primary attachment styles. 1. Secure attachment. Individuals with a secure attachment style often grew up in an environment where their emotional needs were met consistently. They learned to trust their caregivers, which laid the foundation for healthy, trusting relationships as adults. These individuals tend to feel comfortable with intimacy, depend on others, and handle separations without excessive anxiety. 2. Anxious-Preoccupied attachment. This style often develops when caregivers are inconsistent, sometimes attentive, other times neglectful. As adults, people with this attachment style may crave closeness and approval, but they also fear abandonment. This can lead to clingy or overly dependent behavior in relationships, as they constantly seek reassurance. 3. Avoidant attachment. Avoidant attachment arises when caregivers are emotionally unavailable or dismissive. Children in these situations learn to suppress their emotional needs as a defense mechanism. As adults, avoidant individuals may struggle with intimacy, preferring to maintain emotional distance in relationships. 4. Disorganized attachment. Often stemming from trauma or abuse during childhood, disorganized attachment is marked by conflicting desires for closeness and fear of intimacy. This style can lead to unpredictable and chaotic relationship patterns as adults, where trust and safety feel elusive. Why does this matter? Because understanding your attachment style can be a game changer for personal growth and healthier relationships. For instance, if you're anxious, practicing self-soothing techniques can help reduce dependency on external validation. If you're avoidant, gradually opening up and being vulnerable in safe relationships can rebuild trust. Attachment theory also emphasizes that these styles aren't set in stone. With self-awareness and therapy, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, or emotionally focused therapy, EFT, individuals can develop healthier attachment patterns over time. Moreover, the ripple effects of attachment go beyond personal relationships. Studies show that attachment styles influence workplace behavior, parenting approaches, and even how we navigate friendships. And there you have it, the profound insights of attachment theory. From childhood bonds to adult relationships, understanding these dynamics is like holding a mirror to your emotional world. So, what's your attachment style? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the psychology of life. Remember, your journey to better relationships starts with self-awareness. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.